Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how you can play and earn on Delta Kim app. I told you in my previous video that I'll be showing you how you can play to earn on Delta Kim app. So on your home screen, as you can see right here, you click on USCT right here, so to direct you to display face, and then you click on playtime. You click on playtime there to redirect you to the PlayStation. So from there you click on this get 23.3k icon here. You click on it, then it will redirect you to Play Store. You wait for it to load because it takes some time. You click on play now right here, then it will redirect you to Play Store. Some people might be the game type, you might have the app, but if you don't have it, you have to download it from Play Store. Then you download it, boom, you have it. So it will take you straight to the app. You click on continue right here, then you have it. Just wait for it for a bit. You can click on allow if you want notification. If you don't want notification, click on don't allow. Then here is how to go about it. You make sure you spot those duck wherever they are hiding. They keep clicking on it. Do you understand? For the first stage now, it's just 12 of them, so you have to locate 12 of them wherever they're hiding before you move to the next stage. Do you get? So the more you click, the more XP you get, the more reward you get. You understand? The more your highest reward keep piling. I hope you get that. So that's how to go about it. It's kind of fun, but at the same time it's addictive if you are not careful, so it can take all your time. So just, you understand, play safely. That's just all I have to say. Play safely. So I played it and then I tried to get to level 5 before I call it a day because it's kind of addictive. So I'm just doing this for educational purpose. If you are interested, it is not compulsory, but if you're interested and you want more reward for the highest rollout, you understand, you can just participate at your own leisure. You understand? So here is how to go about it. Please don't forget to keep mining and stay away from stay away from fraudulent acts. Don't try to open 2 accounts. Here is where I'll call it a day. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, comment. Don't forget, whenever you comment, you earn more USCT. So just comment, drop a like, and watch out for more of my video. See you in my next video. Peace out. Bye.